It's raining outside, pero walang makakapagpigil sa atin sa pag-re-rehearse kasi bukas na po. And bukas na, we will be having our script reading performance together with the actors from different regions here in the Philippines of Relive Your Passion PH. We will be having the piece by August Melody Andong. It's Thank You for Calling or Thank You for Calling. So, yun, nakaprepare na po tayo yung set natin. And yeah, right. I am a call center agent. That's why I'm talking to you in English, right? Gustuhan ko actually for this story kasi meron kaming this almost I see yung personal na stand ko when it comes to my channel wherein most of my vlogs, majority of my vlogs are in Hiligaynon language. We always, and I personally want to push our native language in a bigger community, how do you call that? Bigger world! So that people will know how beautiful Hiligaynon language is. And that's also the same dilemma that other call center agents are also fighting within themselves. How beautiful Filipino language is, how beautiful Filipino English is, and why do they have to speak the English. There you go. I'm telling you what our story is all about. But please do watch our performance. I will link it down below. That's a live performance tomorrow. So for today, yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo, I'll be having my rehearsal and I'll be reading my character for this script, Thank You for Calling or Thank You for Calling by August Melody Andong. I will be portraying Joanna's character. It's a CSR agent name is Joan or Joanna in Filipino. So I'm 21 years old, female, tall, and very voluptuous woman with huge breasts, fair skin, long wavy black hair, always wearing a glossy red lipstick, and youngest and only daughter among 4 siblings. A graduate of BS Nursing, has a big dream of working in the US to support her family. So there you go, and I will start my rehearsal. Just watch me there. Stand by. Hello. Okay. Hi! You're Athena? Mm-hmm. Logging in, JB. Yes, that girl. I barely passed the exam for that pre-employment 2-week training. American History and Geography 101 is so information overload.
Mr. Ford, can you please stay on hold while I get you my supervisor? No, I won't put you on hold for long. I just need a few seconds, alright? Mommy, need your help? Let's go! Screw your desperate man online! I can imagine him as my boyfriend. He sounds like a jerk and stupid. Manners, Joanna, what's up?
Thank you for calling Florinet. This is Joan. How may I help you? Grabe! Nahirapan ako doon! Mini pink gerbers. Let's hear. Google. Gerbers. Hydrangea. How to pronounce gerbers? Tama, magkubala. Gerberus. Patayan nyo na. Gerberus. Mini pink Gerberus. Mini pink Gerberus.
Ilang ulit pa ba ang uulitin?
You want to know the flowers in the arrangement? Well, it's a beautiful mix of mini pink Gerberus. Hydrangea. Mabagal. Hydrangea. Gerberus. Well, you want to know the flowers in the arrangement? Well, it's a beautiful mix of mini pink Gerberus, lush green hydrangea, yellow and pink roses, yellow carnations, and button mums, which are arranged in a special clear concave florin at Mother's Day keepsake vase. Perfect. Gerberus, hydrangea.
Do the flowers called in with a wrong card message complaint. And guess what I found?
Hello, tataranta ako. I'm late. It's 6:30, call time namin supposed to be 6. Kaso nag-brown out. So, there you go. You have to log in. Okay naman yung mukha natin. Let's try to check on the group. Then, we'll have our show by 7. There you go. That's Joan. And, yeah. Alright, stand by. Alright, I'm logging in. Let's see. What do I have in here? I got my camera and my script. Where's my script? I'm waiting for the host to let me in. There. Okay, so if you want to hear the whole performance, please click the link below for our final join with audio. Okay, there you go. Hello. Join with audio.
Yan.
Ay lang, ngami.
Wow, ang ganda naman.
Ngami background ako, dali lang.
IBCC.
Gani. Wala, paano ko yung makakas? There, sorry.
Nakamute, madam.
Nakakumit ka, Madam Ruby.
Okay na.
Ang ganda-ganda po naman, Ruby.
Wala pa na, kahit ba long hair nga wavy. Ang
Ah!
Ginip pa. May 30 minutes, papakulot lang tayo.
Mag-hi ako.
It's the holiday of December 25th, the flower ramp-up season.
And once the flowers are delivered, we go out on a dinner date at our favorite restaurant.
So this is my post set. Yun, yung lipstick ko. And then we have here. Hindi na ako nakapag-shoot kanina on how I prepared for my makeup kasi nag-brown out. And timing lang. Pagbalik ng electricity is on call na kami sa 6:30. That was 6:30. Ayun. So, thank you so much. Relive Your Passion, PH, for having me in the Thank You for Calling na script reading. And I enjoyed the process. And thank you so much, new friends, new theater family. Thank you so much. And of course, syempre, Kriza, of course, ikaw pa! Balaan mo gigaya yan, no? Especially panisubong pandemic is ang ato nga mga creative juices. Pag walang ginagawa, minsan gigisingin ka na lang na, uy, gumawa ka ng ganito, ganyan. And there comes here an invitation, and why not? Diba? So, thank you so much, Kid Kriza, for inviting me, for, pushing my name sa group. And there you go to all the actors and actresses, program director, stage director, and the whole team sang Relive Your Passion, PH. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again in the next projects. And syempre makita gid ka mo in person. Hopefully, after everything will be okay. So thank you so much. Bye-bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Rubeinspired!